So look at the floor marking. There's an arrow on the floor and they come in our lane.
Is
So
that for
what do
them
we
or-
do?
or we need
For
to look in
them,
our
they
mirror?
come in our lane.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do here?
Oh, I like that marker there.
Yeah, look. He
Yeah,
he
yeah.
already
There's
come
no
here
one
the
there.
grey car. Look at the floor marking,
Yeah.
the arrows.
Then I need to look in my mirror. And
Yeah,
then,
the arrow pointing in our lane, that means they're gonna come in our
so
lane.
who has priority there?
We got the priority because we are on left lane and the arrow is in their lane and pointing into our lane, so we got the priority. So but still what we do in this situation,
We have priority. We can do what we want. No,
if they're coming really fast
we go faster.
and if affecting us, no,
Yeah.
we need to give them way.
Okay.
Let them in,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay. I
Although
understand.
we go priority, but if they come in really fast and they want to crash our car,
Yeah,
we just
yeah,
slow
yeah.
down
Yeah.
and give them way so they can go as well, okay? It's only one car, 1 second.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go left here
At the traffic lights, yeah.
at the traffic light. So 400 feet, not here.
400 feet. I don't know.
So it's a traffic light.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you see the light from here? So we're turning left. So to turn left, which mirrors we need to check in and what's the routine?
The right mirror,
No,
The ins-
no, to turn left.
left mirror, and then right mirror, then inside mirror.
This is the not right routine. Remember, I teach you before.
Inside mirror, then left mirror.
Perfect, that's perfect. So inside mirror, left, signal left, look in left mirror, and there's a cycle lane, so you look in blind spot check.
Which
Look
one?
for the
There's 4
cyclist
blind spots.
on your right.
I'm turning left.
So you look in your blind spot and then you turn, okay? Always, because you can see the cyclist lane on the floor, the red floor, okay? Red here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you turn here, keep looking in your left mirror and then turn. And now ahead. What's the new speed on this road?
40. 30. 50.
Can
40.
you see the sign?
No.
If you don't see the sign and there's a street lamps, what's this mean?
Means that
The
30,
street
30,
lights.
30.
Yes. So always remember this. Or don't imagine 40 everywhere, okay? Look at the road.
40 is good.
No, look at the road.
Yeah.
Left,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, sorry.
Assess the road, scan the road, and if there's no repeated sign, street lamps, street lights, that means it's 30.
Okay.
So remember this, for this is a life skill, not for only one day. So remember this always, okay? And now follow the road ahead. End of this road, turn right on Otley Road.
So it's not 20.
The 20 is the side road, okay? They're just showing here, but it's not correct. 20 is the side road and this main road is 30
Shows
because
20 there.
it's the side road. This
Oh,
side
okay.
road, okay? So end of the road right. So what is the routine for the
Mirrors,
right turn?
Inside and right mirror, signal right.
Yes. And when we gonna go?
When it's safe, when there's no cars coming.
And this road is 40, so they come really fast. Look at the sign.
Yeah.
So when you entering in new road, look left, right, you will see the sign.
Yeah.
Or when you exiting, keep looking, search and scan the roads, okay? Now follow the road ahead, end of this road, turn left. When you're turning left, that's a dual carriageway.
Okay.
So how you gonna turn left on dual carriageway?
Well, traffic's only coming from the right. So I just need to make sure it's safe in both lanes before I turn left. So mirrors and signal.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go
And
left
here
mirror
you
check.
need to reduce your,
Speed.
okay. Reduce more.
Then I'm going to come
Good.
over here.
Good.
Then I'm going to stop here. And if
This
it-
is a
if
dual
it's safe,
carriageway.
I'm looking for cyclists left lane and right hand side lane.
And how you identify dual carriageway?
The divide in the middle.
Divide in the middle.
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. There's two lane here going, two lanes going ahead,
Yeah.
and there's two lane other side coming
Yeah,
down.
Yeah.
So we turn left and pull up to the left in safe place and stop.